There's a fire burn the fire brigade. So tonight we are losing this fight. Oh, so tonight is...
What is up, guys? We graduate tomorrow, so that's pretty lit, but we're out here doing some stuff to Justin's car. Post-graduation fun activities with the rig. Just some little stuff, like we're putting window regulators in it so we can roll the front windows down and not boil in this like heat that we're having in the spring weather. I don't know what temperature it is. It's really not that hot, but he has all the parts in the back, so.
Dude,
What?
this one came with clips.
Yeah.
This one's already broken. And this one just has no clips at all.
That's no bueno.
So
I mean, are the clips broken in both windows?
that one is broken. And all of them are broken in my car.
They're all broken?
Yes.
So you're gonna have to get clippies.
Yes, that took another week.
That's no bueno. So sad. What up, guys? We made it to our next destination. We are currently at New Mexico. The first video you saw Justin, or me actually, sliding his BMW. We were at Mexico, but today we're at New Mexico. But it's so nice out. We're just cruising around, literally wicked nice, like beautiful night. I love these nights. So I think Justin's gonna try slide this wagon a little bit. Oh yeah, getting used to it, getting used to it. She likes it. No, we don't want to screw it up with the bad Vanos, but it likes it, it skids. Oh, it wants to go for another one? What are you doing, you going for another one? Okay. There you go, that's pretty good. He saved it from that hole. It's doing good of avoiding that hole, so that's good. HID flicker. Who cares? We're dipping?
Yeah, dude, we're sitting here doing burnouts. It's kind of...
Guess we're dipping. I don't think anyone will care out here, to be honest. Who cares?
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love